To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everyone, and welcome to another Market Watch video. For those who have missed the stream today, we have talked a lot. Tomorrow is the early release of the game drop-in. EA announced also some of the ones to watches, so we're gonna go through that, what we talked today on the stream. Guys, remember, if you have any specific questions, make sure to drop in my streams from Monday to Friday, 5:30 p.m. UK time. We talk a lot about trading, investing, and all of that. So if you want to see how we're making coins, make sure to join. And basically, there were a lot of good ideas shared today also on my stream. Together with my viewers, we came to some conclusions. First of all, I thought that the best thing right now is to invest in the meta players, because tomorrow there's still going to be an influx of coins, and people who are packing stuff are going to go in and invest into these big guys. Not invest necessarily, but basically buy them for their teams. Now, in doing that, of course, the market will go up. The market meta will definitely bring most of the players up in value. I've had open here the icons. Now, first of all, I've been talking this in the previous videos, on my streams, in the Discord, everywhere. Like, if you want to go with any baby or icons that go up to a value of 350k of coins and you can play with it in your team, go and buy them. Why? Because you can get very good value with playing them over in the weekend leagues, and they will go up in value as soon as the icon SBC is out. In FIFA 19, these icons went to 450k coins of value at least. So if you go and buy specific ones that you need for your team, you can do that. I don't know per se tomorrow if they're gonna have a small dip because of the supply. Some are predicting that. I don't think that might be the case, because the icons are hardly packable, and even if they dip, the dip will be very small. So like, just buy them at one point that you're content with it, that you have enough coins, and that you can play with these guys, so you can basically they can be valuable in your team, of course. Another set of cards that we looked at are the ones to watches. Not the ones to watches per se, but the gold ones that are going out of packs. Now, I've been saying this for a while. I've seen like also big YouTubers like Run the Foot Market saying that Timo Werner is one of the players that they like. I like all of these guys going out of packs, but the thing is, when is EA gonna rise the price range of specific cards that are capped at their maximum? This is the first question that I have, which nobody knows right now. And the second thing is, these cards will give you good returns, but they won't give you as good returns of investment that the method that we talked about today on stream. Now, the thing is that these cards will definitely go up if you can play with them in your team. If you can use Burner in your starting 11, go for it. Buy them 100%. They'll bring you good value in the next week. But there are better cards to invest in that will get you higher returns of investment. Another warning that I really need to give you guys here is the freaking extinct players. Now, a lot of people came into my stream talking about, should I buy this extinct card, should I buy this extinct card? Now, it's been 4 freaking days, more than 4 freaking days. It's been since the start. When did the web app drop, actually? It's like 5-6 days that some of the cards haven't had their price ranges updated yet. Now, I did invest in Ake at the start. He was extinct. He's also gonna get a wants to watch card already announced by EA. Not sure why he's not shown here, because EA has announced that card. But basically, I went and bought that specific card because I thought, okay, the price range is gonna be up. He's gonna go out of packs, and I'm gonna actually make profit of it. But EA hasn't risen the price range yet. The supply hits tomorrow. He's 79 rated, very low rated. I'm very worried that cards like him will actually have the price range up tomorrow while the supply is happening, and the cards are just gonna be flooded on the market like crazy. And when that happens, there's gonna be a panic selling moment. Now, what we talked today about in stream is that this panic selling moment is what you need to seize. So you need to actually buy the cards that are getting panic sold because of overinvestment, because they have been extinct for so long. So many people bought also for investment purposes, and once they start flooding them, you need to go in and buy them because they will definitely rebound. Someone like Ake will go out of packs, and he will actually be rebounding at the specific moment when he's not supplied anymore, and the overall organic demand and the rise on the card will happen. But at the moment of the price range release and the actual over selling, I do predict there's going to be a lot of the cars that you can go and pick on. Not per se maybe Ake. I might be just wrong here, and Ake won't actually drop. I sold them because I think there's a high chance of the panic sell. But other cards that are similar to Ake, examples like Yota and Pulisic, cards that are getting extinct right now and are very low rated, I do believe just keep a close eye on them, because I do think if tomorrow they get flooded like crazy, you will have very good profits on these specific sort of cards when you sell them in the next 2 days, 3 days, as people will start building up their teams and bringing these cards up in value. Remember, most of the lower rank cards will actually drop in value, and most of the mid metas as well, in my opinion. Tomorrow I expect a bit of a slight dip. Mid metas, just to give you an example, maybe that's someone like Valverde. I don't know if he will actually dip, but I expect those cards to get somewhat affected by the supply tomorrow. He's not the highest end meta card like, for example, Werner or the Icons or Ben Yedder, the team of the week, or Bruno Fernandes, that shouldn't get affected as much by tomorrow's supply. Remember, guys, the best possible method to give you the biggest returns of investments tomorrow is the cards that will actually get flooded. Now, I still have some cards that are meta, and I store them in my club, and I basically won't sell them because I know that in a week or two they're still gonna go higher. But I kept the coins here, 400k ready for any panic selling moment tomorrow that can happen and that can bring down the market, so I can exploit that. I can buy a shit ton of these cards and actually profit from them. Guys, if you have any questions, make sure to drop them down in the comments or on my Twitter. Make sure to join my streams Monday to Friday, 5:30 p.m. UK time. Hope this is useful, hope it helps you trade, and hope it helps you get a lot of coins. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!